In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website on Cloudflare. We'll be walking through this process step by step to make sure you can easily set up and deploy your site in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Cloudflare homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You'll want to locate and click on Compute, and within that option, look for Workers. This is essential because Workers is a feature within Cloudflare that allows you to run JavaScript code and manage your site's functionality at the edge of Cloudflare's network. After you've navigated to the Workers section, find and click on Workers and Pages. This might also just be titled Pages depending on updates. This space is where you'll be managing your project files and deployments. This section houses all the tools you'll need for building, configuring, and ultimately hosting your website. Once you've done that, click on the Pages tab. This is your workspace and where we will handle the precise configurations necessary for your site. As you enter the Pages section, you should see a Get Started button. Go ahead and click it. This will guide you through the initial steps for setting up your project and preparing it for deployment. Now it's time to deploy a site from one of your accounts. Cloudflare allows you to connect repositories from platforms like GitHub so you can seamlessly deploy your code. Simply follow the prompts to link your account, allowing Cloudflare to access your respective repositories. After setting up the link with your repository, you will need to set up builds and deployments. This step involves choosing a repository you want to deploy, alongside any specific settings like build commands or environment variables you might need. This is a place where Cloudflare really shines, as it simplifies deploying static sites and handling complex build processes. When you're satisfied with these build settings, go ahead and click on the Deploy Site button. Cloudflare will handle the rest, rolling out your site across its vast network, ensuring optimal performance and minimal latency for global visitors. And there you have it. Your website is now live and hosted on Cloudflare. The platform takes care of the infrastructure and operational tasks, allowing you to focus on creating great content and engaging with your audience. If you ever need to make updates, you can simply push new changes to your connected repository, and Cloudflare will automatically handle the redeployment. To wrap things up, hosting a website on Cloudflare provides numerous benefits like enhanced security, quick deployment, and seamless integration with your development processes. So enjoy having your site up and running, and remember to check out other features Cloudflare offers to maximize your online presence. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.